Welcome to the latest episode of Research That Matters. I am Dr. Chris Freitag with Lavaca County Chiropractic in Hallettsville, Texas. And this is our weekly post about what the science and what the research says about topics that matter to you. And so today's topic is the most common injuries after a car accident. Whether you're driving to work or taking a big family vacation, an unexpected car accident can cause painful injuries that impact you for months and years to come. The weight of your vehicle combined with motion and speed can create a tremendous amount of force on your body. Even low-speed collisions can generate enough force to cause significant injury. Whatever the details, one thing remains true. Much of that force gets transferred directly to your body. The violent forces that occur during an auto accident can cause damage to your spinal discs, ligaments, tendons, and bones, even at low speeds. Most common injuries after a car accident happen because your head is whipped back and forward very quickly. This rapid back and forth motion frequently results in ligament tearing and spinal disc injuries. Symptoms such as neck pain, back pain, headaches, confusion, and even depression may indicate that you have suffered a whiplash injury. You may be surprised to learn that shoulder injuries are also some of the most common injuries after a car accident, in addition to whiplash. Your shoulder is one of the most complex joints of your body and is made up of a collection of bones, ligaments, tendons, and muscles. If you're the driver and you have your hands on the wheel at the time of a crash, the sudden force created by the accident can lead to a torn rotator cuff. Seatbelt related injuries are also very common after a car accident. Your seatbelt can irritate impingement syndromes in the shoulder and contribute to other spinal injuries. Now, with that said, seatbelts save millions of lives each year and should absolutely be used every time you enter the vehicle. In addition to neck and shoulder injuries, a sudden stop or change in direction during an accident can also place a tremendous force on your chest. Since your arms and legs are also more likely unsecured, they can strike the interior of your car, causing additional injuries. So to recap, here are a few of the most common reasons we recommend you see a chiropractor that specializes in auto injuries after experiencing an auto collision. First, head injuries. Striking your head against the steering wheel, dashboard, or window can result in severe head injury, such as concussion, which is considered a mild traumatic brain injury. Spinal injuries. The forces that occur during a car accident can cause spinal injuries like instability, whiplash, or herniated discs. Arm or leg injuries. Injuries to your shoulders, especially if you're holding the steering wheel, or your knees if they hit the door or the dashboard, are very common after a car accident. Ignoring any injury, whether it's on our list of the most common injuries after a car accident or not, is not a good idea. If you're in a car accident, no matter how minor, it's important to get evaluated. Taking the right action steps as quickly as possible can make a huge difference in your overall well-being and healing. The fact is that many of the injuries sustained in most accidents can be treated conservatively, and many do not require surgery. Research has shown chiropractic care to be very effective at treating injuries like neck and back pain, headaches, whiplash injuries, and extremity injuries. So if you're experiencing or you're searching for a chiropractor that treats auto accidents near Hallettsville, Texas, know that our doors are open and we are definitely here to help. We're focused on relieving pain, restoring mobility, and supporting long-term healing. And we specialize in treating most all of the common injuries after a car accident. A complete evaluation is how we determine the extent of your injuries and begin your journey towards recovery. Additionally, our practice practices, evaluation process, and assessment tools can help us fully document your injuries for your records, your medical doctor's records, your insurance provider's records, and, if needed, your attorney's records. With a combination of conservative treatments designed specifically for you, we can help you find relief as quickly, safely, and naturally as possible. So thank you for joining me today for the latest episode of Research That Matters. Click the like or the follow button right now to make sure that you continue to receive the latest updates from the research that matters to you. Have a wonderful day.